A Pegasus airline plane was towed from the cliff edge after skidding off the runway of a Turkish coastal airport. The plane skid off the runway and lunged down a steep slope on the edge of the Black Sea. On Saturday night, none of the WION-68 people on board were hurt. The incident, however, took place when the plane was touching down. The airline said in a statement that the aircraft had a runway excursion incident as it landed, but all passengers, 2 pilots and 4 cabin crew were unhurt. And this is how the plane was lifted from the runway. This is a mammoth plane, big plane, and you can see the way the plane is being towed. And the water you see is the shore of the Black Sea, which cuts through the strait to the Mediterranean from Istanbul. So this is the plane which almost landed nose down into the Black Sea. But everyone was lucky. Everyone survived with minor injuries. So finally they were able to take the plane off from the rough slope. So these are the visuals. And this is the airlines which almost went inside the Black Sea.